It's Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, yan, dinukot na. Kain ka na eh.
Ninang ganan mo.
I'll give it to you later. You said it's fine.
Sinabay mo pa, may pipe. Malaki na ito, no?
Wala pa ka sa akin eh. Ano ka ba naman? Tanong mo kung sino ka-date niya ng Valentine's Day. 5 babae.
Oh my God.
Ikaw nagbayad.
Ako na makapicture.
Ay,
5 babae, chick, ano ka pala, chick mo.
Tapos tinawagan ng ama. Sabi ko, Mami, I'm so embarrassed. To call my dad na I'm going to the mall. And now, he phoned me 4 times. Sabi sa akin.
thank you.
4 times.
Wow, you got lots of money.
Na may pera naman biling bike.
Meron na, kompleto na na rin.
Oh, okay. Biling bike ka?
How much more?
Pamilya din pala.
Yeah, the balance. I'll give you the balance.
And you will pay the rest for your bike.
I think it's only $20, right? No?
Parang si Defensor.
So tired
Defensor ba
though.
yan?
How many candles do you want?
Happy birthday!
Too much
Si
candle.
Defensor, ano?
Happy
It
birthday!
has to be
pa.
13 candles.
May 13 pa daw sa nila. Happy siya mag-
Ito pa. Lahat pa to?
Yeah.
Lasang ano na yan?
Yaan mo siya!
Lasang kandila na yan.
Especially this one, no? Nakababa.
Dali, pero na, ayan, natunaw na.
Dumi.
I wanna sit down.
You missed
Stand up
one.
there!
Mas matagal pa yung in-stay ko rito kaysa yung...
You missed one candle.
I'm so tired.
Meron ba isa?
Nakakain.
Make sure you blow it just one blow, okay?
Sitting down.
Kaya babae.
Eren, Megan, you got at the back of Kuya.
Oh, blue.
Kantahan muna. Play yung candle. Napunta na sa strawberry.
Ay pa.
Megan, go! Lena, go the other
Ay
side.
pa tan.
Lena, here!
Here, Lendra.
Pahikan. Megan, go the other side.
Kaya natunaw na. Napunta na sa...
Okay,
Here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riley. Happy birthday. Wait, Kuya. Wait.
Kuya, lapit na pili. Lapit na doon.
It's a cheesecake.
Wait. Okay, blow.
Yeah.
He told me to do one blow.
Riley, magpapapicture muna tayo.
You didn't make a wish.
I did.
Picture niyo muna.
Unless mama nga rin please.
Why are you screaming? Oh. You want juice? I'll get you some juice. Yeah?
We got like all like weird Mexican songs in Mexican language.
You mean Spanish?
Españoles. Oh, Mexican. Take it, baby.
You have to kick it.
Baby.
Kick it.
What's wrong with Lena?
Kuya, paano cake? Ha? Ano? Para kanino? Ay, yung cake daw ang gusto. Ay,
Lena, don't go to the sun.
Baby.
How did Jamie get in cake?
Smile! Smile! Huh? Tilelen is taking a video.
I'm not taking a picture.
She's looking her own picture in her camera. She's crazy. Looking picture in her. Ito gusto mo muna palit tayo. Akin yung laman. Nakatutulo ka na yata. Dalawa.